Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing the supermarket Obby. And yes, I know I got a case of bedhead. I died. Okay, I've made that. Oh god. As you saw from 2 videos ago, because last video I was doing ASMR. I gotta try and fix my camera a little bit. There we go. As you know from the last video, it was an ASMR video. The dreaded checkerboards. What a mess. Wait a second, how do they expect us to fix it How do they expect us to do this? This way? Oh, you. What was that? Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Yes! Okay, so I thought those were fries, and I thought you were actually meant to jump on them. Let's go. Oh my god. How did I just die? Wait, what? How did I die? Yes. Okay, I've got no idea what we're supposed to do here. Oh. Thank you, dude. None of these are deadly. These are. Why are like none of these deadly? I think she's like waiting for me or something. Let's go! Woohoo! Okay. There goes my kitty ears. Sorry if the facial expressions I'm making in this video are weird. If I ever rage, which I try not to do on camera because if you guys should know, my raging is bad. What is this level? This is so hard. actually. That wasn't too bad. Oh, the dreaded maze. Last video, you see that there was this maze in the obby that I was playing. I could not get through it. It was like literally like there was a lot of dead ends, and there was just no exact way through the obby. Plus, the time of the video was about to end, so I had to end the video off there and leave the game. This is why I hate mazes. One time on a school field trip, me and Val, we were in a and my friend Rose, we were in like a maze, and we couldn't find our way out. We could not find our way out. Oh wow, we're already 6 minutes into this video. Also, this is my new camera angle. I hope you guys like it. Wait a schmeckin'. Okay, never mind. Sorry for saying wait a schmeckin'. Where do you find the way out? This is exactly where I was last video. Oh. It's right here. Okay, jump. This really is turning into an ASMR video now. I'm barely talking, I'm just paying attention to the game. Sorry for that facial expression. That's why I hate doing face cam. I always do them. Oh my god! After I ended the Temple Run Fidget Spinner Obby video, I kept trying to I kept trying the game, and anyways, like I was saying, I kept trying to beat the game, and I was raging. It's not my bad rage, but I was raging pretty hard. I was kind of raging, but yeah, like I said, you would not want to see me rage at all. I always try not to rage on camera, because I feel like that it wouldn't be existential. I don't even know what that word is. I only learned that word from the movie Elf. Love that movie. I actually watched it yesterday. Oh, whoa, there's a person here. Oh my god, go! The reason I just don't like doing face cam is because I always make the weirdest facial expressions. Yes. Oh my goodness. Wait a second. What? What are we supposed to do here? Dylan, show me the way. Does he know either? We're both trapped here. What are we even supposed to do? We're supposed to go back up the escalators? This door's broken. I'm not risking going through it. We really gotta avoid this. Oh no. I remember that place. Oh, I'm on 19. Dylan's stuck on 16 still. Ow. Okay. What fell asleep? Sorry about that. I know that's kind of weird to say, but... Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, that'll do it for today's video. If you liked it, please give a like, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!